like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby?
Welcome back, beauties. D.Beasley here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Listen, everybody, come on in the room. Welcome back. Listen, it has actually literally taken an act of Congress for me to sit down and film this video, okay? So as you can tell from the title, we will be trying out the new Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Powder Balm. Yes, you heard that right, blurring powder balm. This is what the package looks like. I did show this in the video itself, and I get into some details about it as well. It came out a couple of weeks ago. Retails for $36. You can get it on Camera Ready Cosmetics if you do qualify for the pro discount. You can get it on Camera Ready Cosmetics. This has an ingredient called Upsolite, and basically it controls your oil. So they're saying that you don't have to set this. You can highlight, do your foundation and contour all with this, and you don't have to set it. So I'm about to do my workout. Yes, I'm about to do my workout, and I'm not taking this off because I just put it on. Okay, now mind you, I don't really sweat in my face, so there's that. But I wanted to test this out. I don't know if I'm not literally like wearing it to test it out with that, but I wanted to come on here and try this out with y'all. I've been wanting to try it out since it came out. I got it when it came out, and I'm just not being able to sit down and record the video. So I don't know if y'all heard anything about it, but like I said, but it's a very unique product, but I am very excited to play in it with you all. So if y'all want to see how I got this look and, you know, some details about this new blurring balm, then keep on watching. Okay, beauties, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Today I wanted to review or test out the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder. Yes, it's a balm powder. So this is supposed to like absorb your oil, control your oil throughout the day, and basically conform to your skin type. So I picked up Universal, and I picked up the shade number 8. I actually have the Yummy Skin Serum Foundation that I'm going to be trying out, and that's how I was able to see what shade that I needed to pick up in that. But the Universal shade is, you know, the primer. So you can wear it alone, or you can wear it under any foundation, I'm sure. But this is what the packaging looks like. Beautiful packaging, and it has this little scooper thing there to help keep it sanitary, and that's what this one looks like. Like I already said, I did try out a little bit, but I didn't get a chance to play with it. With you all, so I wanted to come on here and do that. What I did was I just used like a scoop of it to prime, and I feel like that was too much, but we're gonna do that. I've already cleansed and moisturized my skin, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to one side first, and I'm gonna use my fingers right now. I've seen Danessa Myricks like do her makeup lives, and she uses her fingers a lot. So what is really appealing about this product is the fact that it's a balm, but it basically is designed to adjust to your oil absorption and control your oil. So that's what's surprising. So that's one side. And the thing about this product is it's not a mattifying product at all. It's literally designed to just control your oil, but provide hydration at the same time. So like I said, you can wear this product by itself, or you can wear it under any foundation. But you see how it's the texture of it, it's like a powdery texture too. It's really different, but the way that it is, like, it's blurring. If you have like large pores, like I don't have large pores, so I can't tell if it's doing any type of blur effect. It is like, I don't want to say mattifying. Like, it's so weird. The Upsolite technology is something totally different. I've never used anything with it in it before, so I don't know if this product is, if it's like unique to her own products, but it's like it feels really like a powdery type of, almost like a mattifying type of primer, but it's not like getting like sticky. You know how mattifying primers get really sticky? It's not doing that. But like I said, it is not designed to mattify. It's only designed to absorb your oils, excess oil. So I'm going to go on top of that with number 8. But before I do that, I do want to let you know these are considered to be light coverage. From what I understand, it's a very natural finish. Like it's very light. When I put it on for that first time, it's very light. But it's like, it's a good light. Like it's almost like a tinted moisturizer, but not as shiny or as, you know, glowy. With like, you know, tinted moisturizer is very glowy. This gives you hydration, but like I said, is designed to control your oils. These are available on Sephora and Danessa Myricks. I got mine from Camera Ready Cosmetics. They actually retail for $36, but I was able to use my pro discount on Camera Ready Cosmetics. So again, this is the packaging here. And like I said, I picked up the shade number 8 based on her chart. And when I tried it on, it did actually do the job. I am not going to use my hands to try this on. She uses like a special, I don't want to say like a special brush, but one that she wants to use, basically one that she says will work best for it. I'm going to use this brush from Real Techniques. This is the Instapop cheek brush. I'm just going to scoop a little bit out. And like I said, when I did use this, I think a little bit of it went a long way. So I'm going to use my finger to apply it all over before I blend it out. Again, this is not a full coverage foundation balm. This is literally natural. Y'all know I'm a full coverage girl, so it gives a very nice finish, you know. Just gonna pat that in. Very nice finish. And the more I wore it, like I said, I did try it on because I was having technical difficulties. That's why we're doing this all over again. But when I wore it, like I only wore it for a couple of hours, but it looked really good. Now, because I have not purchased, I only picked up these 2. I'm going to use my regular, you know, concealer, as well as powder to set. But we are going to use the Sephora Micro Smooth powder because I feel like that's a light enough powder for this type of situation, because I don't want to put a lot on my face. I just want to put a little bit, because I'm actually going to do my workout and I'm going to leave my foundation on. I came straight home to get this back up for y'all, or to get this filmed for y'all, but I'm not going to take it right off. So I may add that footage in so y'all see that later, but I'm just not gonna take it off. My step class starts at 6:15 in about 45 minutes, so I'm not taking it off. Let me bring y'all in just a little bit. But y'all see the finish? It's not going to give you the coverage that you're looking for to cover blemishes. Like, it's just not going to do that. Like, will it give you a natural finish? Yes. Will it give you like a natural glow? Yes. It's basically here to absorb excess oil. So that's what it's going to do. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use my Kevyn Aucoin concealer, and I'm going to place that under my eye. It looks lighter on my face than what it looks like in the container. And I went with something that's like really natural, you know, giving off natural vibes. I don't want anything that's like going to be too bright, even though like this is looking bright under my eyes, y'all, but I'm swear it is not that color in the container. It looks tall, but you see how good it blended out on my forehead. So I'm going to go back in with a little bit more of that concealer, and I'm going to get right up under my eye. Let's use this deep cream bronzer by Soul. I'm going to just use that to like warm up my face a little bit. Y'all know how I like to do. Because I think I put my I think it's in this bag right here, which I really like to say, but this one is right here. We're gonna use what we got. Y'all have to forgive me when I am watching myself like Like when I'm editing my videos, I realize how fast I go, but I need y'all to understand I'm a makeup artist. So when I'm doing it, I'm not like trying to rush to do my makeup, but like I'm always like trying to get it done. So I don't want y'all to think like I come on here trying to rush or anything. Like, where I swear it's nothing like that. Like I promise it's not. I'm just so used to trying to get the job done. So I'm going to use this Sephora translucent powder, and we're going to just set our under eye with it. And just an FYI, like I said, I don't know if y'all heard me say this earlier or if I even said it earlier, but this is saying that you don't have to set it. I can't do that. Now, I don't know if I can do that. Maybe I'll try it out one day, but I'm going to put a very, very light sweep of the Micro Smooth powder from Sephora on my face. Like, baby, me setting my under eye and not setting the rest of my face, like in my mind, that ain't gonna look right. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, I'm using my Micro Smooth powder from Sephora. This is in the shade Deep, and we're just gonna hit everywhere that we did not put, which is really like the perimeters and like a little bit right here. And that's it. Forehead, okay? I am going to use the Mented bronzer. We're going to use that to bronze our face. And that's what that looks like. This is in the shade Yacht Life. And I actually got this from Ulta. And I just use that to set that cream. I am going to get a lighter and a deeper shade of these Balm powders to see how I like them. I really want to try this out. Like, it's almost like she's made it. This is like a go-to for all makeup artists. Like, if you don't have to set it, if you can use it to prime, contour, highlight, and you don't have to set it, like, what? Tell me more. For blush, I'm going to use my Sephora Hey Jealousy blush. It's a hot pink blush. Hot pink. If you're not ready, don't use it. A little goes a long way. And I'm tapping the apples of my cheek and just going up with it. Pushing it back. See? And it's not a lot. It's a little bit. It's not a lot at all. But these are very pigmented. So use a light hand. I heard this one is viral on like TikTok, but I haven't seen it on there since I've been on TikTok. Oh yeah, I've been on TikTok, so follow your girl. I'm putting it on the bottom here. I also unboxed the Danessa Myricks Blur Bombs on TikTok, so go over there, follow me, or whatever all the kids say. Follow me, okay? I'm gonna put some of this Mented bronzer on my eyelid because we want this look to be really simple. Like, I'm not doing any extracurricular eyeshadow. I am going to put a little highlight in my inner corner. Stay tuned. Then I'm going to take this oldie but a goodie, this Whisper of Guilt highlighter from MAC. Girl, I got the holiday edition, I know. And we're going to put that in our inner corner. So I'm going to go ahead and pop my lashes on, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts. Okay, beauty, so here is the finished look. Like I said, I just put a little bit of bronzer on my eyes. I did put this lipstick on from Pat McGrath. This is the shade Christy. Listen, it popped out the container, okay? I've only used it like maybe 3 times. There's that. But, so here's the look. I did not set it with like a setting spray or anything. Like, this is what we gonna get. Like, this is it. But it looks really good. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Like, it is literally natural light cream. Like, that's what it is. So, yes, honey. I absolutely have to get a shade for highlighting. I need to get a shade for contouring. Like, we have to, y'all, because if I can do the entire face, like, I can get all of them and boom, that's my kit. Like, what? Stuff that you put in your makeup kit, though, you can't just put it in your kit. You have to test it out. So that's what we're gonna do. But I really like how it turned out. This is perfect for days when you're just really trying to do something really light, and you don't want to, you know, sometimes you can try to do something light and then it turns out heavy. This won't allow that to happen. You get what I'm saying? So I think y'all should try it out though, but I'm gonna try it out for you first though, so it's okay. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave some comments down below. Do you plan on trying this out? How do you think it turned out? Y'all know I'm a full coverage type of gal, but I like to do just a little bit sometimes too. This will not cover up any, it will try to cover up some discoloration, but I always base it on this little spot I have on my cheek. When I see that that's peeking through, I know like I have to spot correct, you know, spot conceal there. So you may have to do some spot concealing to cover up any type of dark marks, or if you have dark circles or anything like that, you may have to do some type of concealer correcting or concealer coverage. But for the most part, it has really nice coverage. It's doing exactly what it's saying it's gonna do. So again, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave some comments down below. Let me know what you think, and until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye, beauties.